Hey, good morning everyone. It is Friday the 13th of February, and as promised, I have just done the draw for the GOYOJO paint thickness gauge. Works really good, super handy tool. So thanks to GOYOJO, because when I asked them for a second one to give away to a viewer, they were happy to do it. So as of 8 o'clock this morning, there were 59 comments on the video. So I used a random number generator thing. It came up with number 31. So the 31st comment on the video was from Bernie Novak 936. So hit me up with your address, midnightpaintandbody@gmail.com, and I'm gonna send you this guy. I'll also reach out on the YouTube comments as well. So, I'm going to tell you guys another weird thing. It's Friday the 13th, and when I looked up the video at 8 o'clock to see how many comments were on it, it was at 666 views. Coincidence? I don't know. Anyway, guys, thanks to everyone that, just commented on the video, got entered in the draw. I'm going to try and do this. Anytime a company reaches out, wants me to test something, I always try and hit them up for a second so I can give one away because, it's kind of a cool thing to do. So, thanks for watching the video. Bernie Novak 936. I'm going to try and find you on the socials. And midnightpaintandbody@gmail.com if you see this with your address, and I'm going to get this in the mail to you. Okay, thanks guys. See you soon.